Revised syllabus for the post of Accounts Assistant Finance. Hello everybody, this is Danish Rafiq and in this video we'll talk about the revised and new syllabus for the post of Accounts Assistant Finance. The Jammu Kashmir Service Selection Board has recently notified that they have changed the syllabus for the post of Accounts Assistant. So here in this video we'll talk about the new and revised syllabus for the post of Accounts Assistant Finance. Let's have a look at the new syllabus. General knowledge with special reference to UT of Jammu and Kashmir carries 20 marks. The topics in this portion are popular names of personalities, religion, politics, scientific discoveries, geographical, sports history, central sponsored schemes, guidelines and objectives, climate and crops in Jammu and Kashmir and India, current events of local, national and international importance, weather, climate, crops, means of transport, Jammu and Kashmir history, economy and culture, flora and fauna of Jammu and Kashmir, rivers and lakes, important tourist destinations, Jammu and Kashmir Panchayat Raj Act of 1989 as amended up to December 2020, 73rd and 74th Constitutional Amendments, Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act of 2019. The second portion, statistics, carries 15 marks and it carries the topics of primary and secondary data, tabulation and compilation of data, measures of central tendency, theory of probability, correlation and regression, concept and simple applications, theory of attributes, basic concepts and their applications, theory of index numbers, tests of index numbers, wholesale and consumer price index numbers, demography census, its features and functions, vital statistics, measures of fertility, crude fertility rates, specific fertility rates, gross and net reproduction rates, measures of mortality. General economics consists of 15 marks and it has the topics like introduction of economics, basic concepts and principles, fiscal and monetary policy, meaning, scope and methodology, theory of consumer demand using indifference curve technique, demand analysis, factor pricing, marginal productivity theory and Ricardian theory of rent, pricing under various forms of market, factors of production and laws of production, concept of economic growth and its measurement. Characteristics and problems of developing economy, planning and market economy, economic reforms in India, concept of national income, inflation, meaning and types and also effects of inflation. Mathematics consists of 15 marks and it has topics set theory, basic concepts and applications, metrics and detriments, simultaneous linear equations, Cramer's rule, analytical geometry, differentiation, basic concepts, addition, product and chain rule, optimization using differential techniques, integration, reduction and substitution method, linear differential equations, differential equations existent theorem for the solution of dy dx is equal to fxy. Knowledge of computers carries 15 marks and it has the topics introduction and objectives, basic applications of computers and its component, fundamentals of computer sciences, hardware and software, concept of open science technologies, input and output devices, knowledge of MS Word, MS Excel, MS Access, MS PowerPoint, PDF, Internet and email, concept of computer virus and antivirus, term and abbreviation used in IT. Accountancy and bookkeeping consists of 15 marks. The topics in accountancy and bookkeeping are introduction to financial accounting and its terms, introduction, equation and general, voucher approach in accounting, bank reconciliation statements, financial management statements, partnership accounts, ledger accounts, cash book, financial audit, elements of double entry bookkeeping, rules for generalizing trial balance, trading account, profit loss and balance sheet, concept of social accounting, social audit and cash based single entry system of accounting, public financial management system, PFMS. General science consists of 15 marks and topics included in general science are various sources of energy, conventional source of energy, improvement in technology for using conventional source of energy, biomass and wind energy, non-conventional sources of energy, solar energy, tidal energy, mechanics, rest, motion, velocities, acceleration, Newton's law of motion, voltage, current, resistance, power, DC batteries, waves, light as a wave, sound waves, transfer and longitudinal waves, structure of atoms, solids, liquids and gases, basics, life processes, nutrition and its types, respiration, transportation of water, food and minerals in plants, vitamins, diseases related to vitamin deficiency, environmental pollution, ecosystem, its components, food chain and food webs, ozone layer, its depletion, greenhouse effect, mental ability and reasoning consists of 10 marks for the post of accounts assistant, and the topics included in mental ability and reasoning are number series, letter series, coding, decoding, direction sense, blood relations, mathematical reasoning, speed, distance and time, statement and conclusions, logical reasoning and mental reasoning. So this was all about the revised syllabus for the examination of post of accounts assistant, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. For more updates you can subscribe our YouTube channel, and you can also press the bell icon to get the notification whenever we'll upload new updates, new news updates in our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.